Hello everyone. We are going to record 6th and 7th weeks of report for our diploma project. So let's start. So do you see my screen? So here we have a week plan of what we are doing for our project. So this is this is 7th week, and we're going to say what we did 6th and 7th week. So, and firstly, uh, so let's start with Jean-Serge. So, Jean-Serge, so let's start. Let's with 5th week. What we did a little bit about 5. So, yeah, 5 weeks. Start from 5s. Yeah. So this is what I've done, decorate the project. So uh, for our project is Docker is very required things because we are mm, all the things we are decorated and it's helpful for us for deploying the project and when and also some very required properties we are uh, all were in this properties and settings. uh, with this we not do the job twice or more. So yeah, also yeah, we are going to decorate also the fronted part. Yeah, and in Docker we use it containers, and yeah, all our microservices were in our mini containers. So that's all what I've done. So the next one is design your user experience. Janavik, what? Okay. So, mhm. So let's start from me. It's about CI/CD and with Jenkins. So, firstly, what's the CI/CD? And CI/CD is method for frequently delivering apps to our remote web services to automating it. We don't need with our hand do all of these things, so we can just settings our projects and all and the program will do it for us. So also yeah, and and we do I've I did it with it with Jenkins. that's a program that we used. So, and CI/CD in our project works like this, like that. So after commit, mm, after our commit, and we use it a backend as a backend Java Spring Boot, and after each commit, our backend program compile and build the project, and if all of things is successful, it automatically sent it to our web server, which is run in Linux Ubuntu, and and after that it deployed automatically. So also we are going to setting it with uh, after deploying every day at 11 o'clock. So yeah. Mhm. Mhm, yeah. So let's start with authorization and authentication. So what's authentication? Authentication authentication knows who the which user it is. So with authentication, yeah, the program will know who it is and in which account, who username or other things, and also it works through the password. So what about authorization? Authorization determines what resources user can use. This, for example, one user log into our website. He is admin or just our client. Uh, that's authorization. If he is admin, he has another other privileges that he can do. For example, in our project, if he is admin, so he can create products and delete users products or waiters. Yeah. So also in backend we used Spring Boot. In Spring Boot we used Spring Security, which is already ready product to us. So uh-huh.
but I think about it. I don't choose any framework to create UI or web page. And also I added rover there, Artios, so okay.
Mhm. So also unit tests help for us when we are in this case for instance uh, we have already a ready product, and if we want to rewrite it, we will have some bugs. So uh, for writing this code again without bugs, we should firstly write unit test, and after that we can just run it. Also, we are going to do TDD technologies, which is I think that's very cool. Uh, in TDD, we firstly write a unit test and then code. So that's all for our 7th week.